Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a collapsible text onto your Wix.com website. So you'll need to start from the Wix website editor here. And if you don't know how to get here, you just have to go from the dashboard here, which is manage.wix.com, and you'll have to click on this button here to design your site. Once you click on this, of course, it'll take you to the Wix website editor here. Now from here, you just have to click on this left icon here to add elements. On add elements, go to text and then collapsible text right here. Now you have these three options here. I'm going to put in this one, and it looks like this, right? You can click on change text or change design. I'm going to click on change text, and this is what the collapsible text look like. You'll see that it cuts off at they need, and in here you can uh, edit it however you'd like. All of the text will look like this. It'll cut off around this area, and then the rest will show up when you click on show more. For example, I'm going to type example, example, and if you see if your text is not actually long enough, it won't cut off, right? I'm going to keep doing this until one more line. There you go. Now, once you hit the certain threshold, it'll start doing the dot 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 here to collapse it into the text. And you can see that you can click on what does the button do. You can either link or expand. So if it's expand, I'll show you both of it. So first off, let's try expand, right? I'm going to click on preview. Wait for it to load. If it's expand, like that, right? It's a collapsible text like this. See? Now let's try the link. So change text, link. Choose link, and then it'll redirect to a new page. Done. Something like that. Now let's click on publish. Sorry, not publish, preview. Now when you click on show more, it'll actually redirect your card. It'll redirect your text into a card, right? Which is not what we want. We want a collapsible text. So when you get a collapsible text like that, when you put it in, make sure it says collapse and not link, right? Let me go back here. Click on this, change text and expand like that. Make sure it's on expand. You can of course also change the design. You can change the design of a text or the expand or collapse button. For text, there's a couple of styles you can pick. You can also change the font, change the font size, make it bold, italic, underline, all the nitty gritty. And of course, you can also change the expand collapse button. You can change the font. You can also change the size, all of it.